first goal.
You work for the opportunity to get a chance on goal. Now they get it and they're able to capitalize.
Here's the chance on the attack. He scores!
Brand new game. All that work that's gone behind this, and we're back to even Stevens. The man advantage break is sprung here, and they executed perfectly. Two different views from either side of me. One coach not happy they gave up the man advantage break. The other one's pretty pumped with how they executed.
More than half the frame has been played here. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Feeds it over to Sutter. Puck picked up by McEwen. And it comes up with the save. Puck is frozen and we get a stoppage in play. Centers.